My name is Andres Flores. I had two cervical disc replacement. I was having a lot of pain on my left arm and neck, and it was just getting worse every day. And I was not able to sleep at night too good, and uh, and it was just getting worse. Well, I really don't know how that happened, but it happened. I had two hernia discs. Right after surgery, I just felt relief on my arm. From the minute that I woke up, I felt the difference, and it's just a lot of relief that I felt right after first hour that I was awake. There's nothing to be afraid of. It's really simple. A lot of people who say that it's dangerous, you're not gonna be right, but that's not the truth. Once you do it, just it's gonna be a big difference on the way it's done. And it was a quick surgery that didn't take that long, and it just will change your life, I guess.